fundamental component of passive fire protection is compartmentalization. This is the subdivision of a building into sections to confine fire and smoke to its point of origin. Compartmentation is a well-established fire safety measure that has been used for generations, protecting the essential content and fabric of buildings, ensuring safe refuge and evacuation of all its occupants while providing safe access for firefighters. To provide this subdivision, the walls and floors of these compartments must maintain the fire resistance defined by the type of building as per approved Document B. For a building to function, a range of services such as gas, plumbing, electrical, and data cabling are needed. These services travel throughout the building both horizontally and vertically. And where these services enter a compartment, they must maintain the fire resistance of the walls or floor they are penetrating. To achieve this resistance, the implementation of fire stopping is used. Fire stopping is the installation of fire-resisting materials adhered to surfaces, imperfections, or openings in construction. It is crucial that the appropriate products and systems are used to ensure that they match the fire test data for the product, services, and substrate. Badly installed fire stopping systems can significantly increase the risk to life, failure of compartments, and damage to the fabric of the building in a fire. The most common observation is the inappropriate use of fire-rated PU, polyurethane foams. Evolution's Fire Protection are responsible for the compliant installation of fire stopping systems and are able to demonstrate our competency when undertaking this essential role through our diligent practices, experience, and procedures. Aside from services, occupants must also be able to move freely through a building's internal divisions without hindering the fire resistance. This can be achieved by the use of a fire door, of which has two important functions in a fire. When closed, it forms a barrier to stop the spread of fire, and when opened, it provides a means of escape. For a fire door to perform as intended, it is vital that it is installed and maintained to its certified configuration by an accredited contractor. From the day of installation, a fire door needs an inspection every 6 months, depending on the building's usage, to identify any signs of wear or maintenance. This inspection must cover a number of critical components of the door, such as the door itself for signs of damage, twist or bow, to the intumescent strips for signs of paint or wear on the acoustic seals, hinges for missing screws or damage, glazing for signs of crack or damage to the beading. Self-closes closes the door at a safe speed and pushes the door flush in the frame. All that gaps around the perimeter of the door are kept to 3 mm, apart from the bottom, which can be 8 mm. A fire is a matter of when, not if. Certified fire doors and fire stopping will offer functional fire safety installations, maintaining the compartmentation and saving lives.